Okay, so we're going to do a quick demo for the cloud project. We just want to see the guidelines first. So as mentioned, this is a small Java application which is going to run in two instances, and it's going to do recognition. So first it's going to do text recognition, and then it's going to do the car recognition. And the way it's been set, we have made our machines. So we'll do like so basically we'll also show you how we created VMs. We'll show you what we're using the cloud storage, how we are using S3 and SQS, and what is the code itself, and how we are using recognition. So I think yeah, okay. So we'll run to EC2, right? We'll get to EC2. You can see two instances are running, and I have these two instances. So instance A for card detection, instance B is for text recognition. So you can see we created this as a public instance. The server type is t2.medium. I thought this is okay. This is the auto assigned IP, and the key pair. So this is how it is running. Both the instances are initialized with the same key pair, same as with the text recognition model, sorry, instance. So this is the instance type, and it is created. We are going to connect, we are already connected to these instances, but just for the demo, we are going to exit and we are going to connect again. I have this key with me or already, and we are in. We're gonna do the same thing here. Okay, this, and now we are in. So this is, and one more thing which we need to take care of is going to be this. So we need to take care of that. We are in our instances. And let me just show you the code first. So we will go into the code. So this is a GitHub repository. You can see the code, and I have pasted things in the project screenshot as well. So this is the detection code, and you see we are importing recognition using the SDK, and that's the most important thing. That is what we need to do. And then for card detection, we're calling recognition, and using SQS, we're going to take the, what do you call? We're going to take the message, and then you're going to process each image. Okay, call recognition and detect labels in the S3 image. Right, that's done. This is done. So you can see that. And if card detected, there are cases for if card detected and if not. Else is no card detected skipping. So this is a very simple code. And we have something for here as well. The other one is text recognition, as said. So text recognition, again, we're using recognition. You can see, so it's done in the same way. This is the code. The code will be pasted in the repository. I'll be sharing the code, so I think you can have a look at the code, and then we can directly run this. So I built it before, so I'll just run it right now. Okay, so just like this, image recognition pipeline dot char. All right, so we have created this, and we are just going to, so if you just want to look at the build, so let me just go here, and this is the repository, and this is the report. This is the readme.md which was asked. So you can see this is how we launched. So here it is written t2.micro, but I used medium because I could use medium. That's it. And configuration based on both instances has been done. So this is something, so we need to install Maven and Java, and then we need to configure credentials on both instances. And then need to build and upload the projects in both instances. So either we can SCP or we can directly go in. So I did SCP, and or you can use it during Git using Git. This is the structure, and when we in clean package queue, you can just build, and from yes. So this is how you can build, and I already have built the jar, so I'm just going to run it. So first going to run this on instance P. So instance P, we're gonna run this. So you can see our instance B was done first. So it was waiting, it did not, so we can just run this again. Okay, there was no queue pulling, queue was empty. So if you just do it again, just run this again, and scanning for indexes, and then I run this. So you can see, yeah, basically card detection is going to see if you can see processing detected, sent to SQSQ, sent to SQSQ. So first it is detecting, and then it is taking the text out of it. So this is taking the image and sending it to the queue. Just let's have a look at the queue once, so that if, okay, this is the queue details. So if I just click on queues, I have this queue just created. So I created this before, and you can just see, we go into monitoring, you can just see a number of empty receives is like increased. That's okay. But number of messages sent is there 8, received is 8, message size is going to 4 point something bytes. So this is how we have created everything. It's very simply done. And here we directly have the images. So I think we got, and this is what we have. So if you see mess source, so this is the demo. This is the most of it. And I hope you've understood what we're doing. So great. You can see it's working, and this is the working detection. Okay, skipping, skipping, card detected, sent to the queue. Where it is not detecting, it is sending it here. So that's the model working. I think we're good. And you can see what's happening here, the text detection stuff. Cool. I think we're good.